I'm going to show you how to add your favorite shows and movies to your favorite list on Tubi. It's super easy and convenient, so let's dive right in. First, open the Tubi app or website. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up or log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Tubi homepage where you can see all the popular movies and TV shows. Now let's find a show or movie that we want to add to our favorites. You can use the search bar at the top or browse through the categories. For this example, I'm going to search for Modern Family. Once you've found the show or movie you like, click on the title to go to its detail page. On the detail page, you'll see a button that says Add to my list or Add to favorites. Simply click on that button and voila, it's added to your favorites. And that's it. Now you can know how to add your favorite shows and movies on Tubi. How to add a movie to Tubi. Whether you're a filmmaker looking to share your work or just curious about the process, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Tubi's official website. Type in www.tubi.tv in the address bar and hit enter. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner and fill in your details. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the home page. Look for the option that says contact or contact support, then select it. Then select contact submission. Now you'll see a form where you can submit what you want to do. Fill out all the required fields, including your name, email address, and the title of your movie. Next, Tubi's team will review your submission and get back to you with any further assistance or questions. After they contact you, you can upload your movie. Tubi usually requires a digital copy of your film in a specific format such as MP4. Click on the Choose File button and select the movie file from your computer. And that's it, you've successfully submitted your movie to Tubi. Now all you have to do is wait for their review process. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to advertise on Tubi, the popular ad-supported streaming service. Before you start advertising, it's crucial to understand who you'll be reaching on Tubi. Tubi has a diverse audience with millions of viewers streaming thousands of movies and TV shows for free. They can cover various demographics, making it a fantastic platform for targeting different markets. First things first, you'll need to create an account with Tubi. Head over to your preferred website and go to tubitv.com. Now log into your account. Once your account is set up, go to the bottom of the Tubi homepage and find the Advertise with Us link. This will take you to the Tubi's advertising information. Tubi offers several types of ads, including pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll ads, as well as display ads. Pre-roll ads play before the content starts, mid-roll ad plays during the content, and post-roll ads play after the content ends. Choose the type that best suits your campaign goals. Now here you'll need to enter a form. Now here you'll need to enter all the details, including the website, your address, your name, your job title, and your company's and the advertising market. Submit the form. Then you'll need to set your budget and targeting preferences. Tubi allows you to target based on demographics, locations, interests, and even specific genres of content. This ensures your ads reach the right audience. Once everything is set, review your campaign details and hit launch. Your ad will go through a review process to ensure it meets Tubi's standard. And that's it. You've how to block the Tubi app on your devices. Whether you're a parent wanting to restrict content or just looking to manage app usage, we've got you covered. So let's dive in. First, let's quickly discuss why you might want to block the Tubi app. Tubi offers a wide range of content, including movies and TV shows that may not be suitable for all audiences. Blocking the app can help manage what content is accessible on your device, especially for kids. Let's start with how to block the Tubi app on an iPhone using built-in parental controls. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then tap on App Limits, hit on Add Limit. Select Entertainment and find Tubi. Set the desired limit or block the app entirely. And that's it, you've successfully set a limit or blocked the Tubi app on your iPhone. Now, if you're on the Android device, open the Google Play Store, then tap on the menu icon, tap on Settings, scroll down and tap on Parental Controls. Turn on Parental Controls and set up a PIN. Tap on App and Games, set the restrictions that will block apps like Tubi. And that's how you can manage app access on Android device. So there you have it. Whether you're using built-in parental controls or third-party apps, blocking the Tubi app is straightforward and easy. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on Tubi, the free streaming service. Whether you're looking to watch shows and movies in another language or just want to change the subtitles, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to tubitv.com. Make sure you're signed in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by clicking sign up and following the prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll need to go to your account settings. On the web, you can do this by clicking on your profile icon and selecting account settings. If you're using the Tubi app, tap on the menu icon, which usually looks like three horizontal lines, and then tap on Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option that says Language. Now, here you can choose your selected language and how it appears. Let me show you. And if you want to change the language of subtitles while watching a show or movie, you can do that too. Start playing by any video. Now tap on this button and click on Advanced Settings and choose the language you want in the subtitles from the list. And that's it. You know now how to change the language settings on Tubi, whether you're looking to enjoy content in your native language or explore new ones. How to enable subtitles while watching your favorite shows and movies on Tubi. Whether you're hard of hearing, learning a new language, or just prefer reading along, this guide will ensure you get the most out of your viewing experience. First, let's start with the basics. Tubi is a free, ad-supported streaming service offering a variety of TV shows and movies. Adding subtitles can really enhance your watching experience. So, let's get started. Open your Tubi app or visit the Tubi website on your device. You can use Tubi on a web browser, smartphones, tablets, or even smart TVs. Once you've opened Tubi, browse through the Tubi library and pick a show or movie you'd like to watch. For this tutorial, I'll choose The Lewis and the Aliens. Then press the play button. Now look for the subtitle icon on the screen. It usually appears as a speech bubble or CC icon depending on the device you are using. Click or tap on the icon. A menu will appear with the available subtitle languages. Tubi typically offers subtitles in English, but other languages might be available depending on the title. You can tap on the additional settings to change the appearance of the subtitles. Here you can choose your font size, that is small, medium or large, or even choose whether you want background or not. After you've chosen your desired appearance, simply click on Save, and that's it.